Multiple choice questions on General Studies and General Abilities Part 27. Question number 261. Complete the given sentence using the grammatically correct option. It is said that some 50 years ago these tribals dash hardworking people. Option A are, option B were, option C have, option D been. The correct answer is option B were. Here the given sentence in past tense. That means 50 years ago. It represents the sentence in past tense. So here tribals is also plural word. So we are using were. So the correct answer is option B were. It is said that some 50 years ago these tribals were hard-working people. Question number 262. Which one of the following is a correctly spelled word? Option A college, option B summary, option C technique, option D throw. The correct answer is option C technique. Let us see the explanation. Correctly spelled words. Option A college. Spelling is COLLEGE. Second one summary. The correctly spelled word is SUMMERY. Option C technique, that is the already given that correctly spelled word. Option D throw. THROUGH. So the correct answer is option C technique. This word has given that correctly spelled word. Question number 263. Which of the following are the correct plural forms of the underlined words in the given sentence? The foot of a man has its own size. Option A feet, men. Option B foots, men. Option C feet, men's. Option D foots, men's. The correct answer is option A feet, men. Foot plural word is feet, man plural form is men. So the correct answer is option A feet, men. Question number 264. In which forest types of India one can find the commercially important cinchona tree? Option A montane forest, option B tropical deciduous forest, option C tropical evergreen forest, option D mangrove forest. The correct answer is option C tropical evergreen forest. Let us see the explanation. Evergreen forests are found in the Assam Valley, the foothills of eastern Himalayas and the lower part of the Naga Hills, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Manipur. Ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber and cinchona are some of the commercially important trees that grow in the tropical evergreen forest. In Telugu it is called as Ushnamandala Satata Harita Adulu. So the correct answer is option C tropical evergreen forest. Question number 265. What is the length of the Hyderabad Metro Rail HMRL network as of November 2022? Option A 51 kilometers, option B 57 kilometers, option C 69 kilometers, option D 72 kilometers. The correct answer is option C 69 kilometers. Let us see the explanation. The Hyderabad Metro Rail network will cover a total distance of around 69.2 kilometers across three corridors. Corridor 1 Miyapo to LB Nagar, Corridor 2 GBS to MGBS, Corridor 3 Nagal to Rayadurgam. So the correct answer is option C, 69 kilometers. Question number 266. Which one among the following forest types belongs to littoral or tidal or swamp forest? Option A alpine forest, option B tropical deciduous forest, option C mangrove forest, option D tropical thorn forest. The correct answer is option C mangrove forest. In Telugu it is called as Mada Adavulu. Let us see the explanation. Hintal and Sundarai trees belong to littoral or tidal forest. Littoral forests are found along the marshy coast in the delta region and also in swampy and tidal areas. Littoral or tidal forests are also known as mangrove forest. In Telugu it is called as Mada Adavulu. So the correct answer is option C mangrove forest. Question number 267. Annie Besant was associated with option A Ramakrishna Mission, option B Arya Samaj, option C Theosophical Society, option D Prardhana Samaj. The correct answer is option C Theosophical Society. Let us see the explanation. Annie Besant was associated with Theosophical Society. According to the Theosophy, there is wisdom underlying all the religion if they are stripped off of their superstitions. The Theosophical Society is an organization established in 1875 to advance Theosophy. So the correct answer is option C, Theosophical Society. Question number 268. Mahatma Gandhi attended which of the following roundtable conferences at London? Option A first and second roundtable conferences, option B only second roundtable conference, option C second and third roundtable conferences, option D only third roundtable conference. The correct answer is option B only second roundtable conference. Let us see the explanation. The second roundtable conference was held in London from 7th September 1931 to 1st December 1931 with the participation of Gandhi and the Indian National Congress. 2 weeks before the conference convened, the Labour government had been replaced by the Conservatives. So the correct answer is option B only second roundtable conference. Question number 269. Rabindranath Tagore renounced his knighthood as a reaction to option A Partition of Bengal, option B Jallianwala Bagh massacre, option C Chauri Chaura violence, option D hanging of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Thapar and Shivaram Rajguru. The correct answer is option B Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Let us see the explanation. Rabindranath Tagore returned his knighthood for services to literature, which he was awarded in 1915 by King George V in protest against the 1919 Amritsar massacre, as it was so brutal that it killed at least 379 unarmed demonstrators in the Jallianwala Bagh. So the correct answer is option B, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Question number 270. What title was bestowed to Dupleix, the French governor by Muzaffar Jung? Option A, Hasmat Jung. Option B, Raisul Momin. Option C, Nawaz Jung. Option D, Jafar Jung. The correct answer is option D, Jafar Jung. Let us see the explanation. Muzaffar Jung gave the title Nawab Jafar Jung to the French governor Dupleix. Muzaffar Jung was killed by Arcot Nawab Anwar ud Din. So the correct answer is option D, Jafar Jung. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.